Best regard. My name is Cristian Camilo Mora Ramirez. I'm an engineering industry student. This is my table. Problems to negotiate biotechnological products. Problem relate to the protection of intellectual property. It is a question of affirming that the fact of isolating biologic matter from its natural environment or reproducing biological to make a cell culture. Problems relate to value technology. There are many news that have not yet been revealed, and it is that despite the fact that biotechnology currently has many advantage and advance, some new have not been relayed. Problems relate to negotiation, as it is manipulable products. It is the negotiation is difficult since the crops and the improved, but they can also be destroyed. Medicine can be made with biotechnology. Definition: technology transfers. It is the process by which organization transfers technology, skill, and knowledge between themselves. Advantage: technology transfer. Transfer knowledge and skill between the different productive sectors to stimulate the economy. Promote the develop education and training of excellence of the members of the various organizations and institutions. Generate exploitable products and activities from a commercial point of view derived from technological innovation. Recommendation: reach an agreement requiring all member countries of the World Trade Organization to recognize patents of microorganisms and establish a system for the protection of intellectual property rights. Carry out an extensive deepening in the develop and molecular operation to create new application at the level of food and vaccines against disease. Change the mentality and approach the negotiation with learning logic so that we can make the best possible decision with the information that is available at the moment. Finish.